basics. What does someone need to know if they're going to set up here?
Okay, so setting up in Australia, as many people know, Australia is has a triple A credit rating. Okay. A few other countries also have triple A credit ratings, but I'm saying that because there's 3 regulators that a financial services business needs to think about when they're coming into Australia.
Not just one.
Not just one, and they all start with A.
Okay.
AUSTRAC.
Right.
Okay. Anti-money laundering, counter-terrorism financing regulator.
Yes.
Most people that deal with people's money are going to need to be registered or enrolled with AUSTRAC.
Okay, so a registration, not a license application.
Not a license.
All right, next.
Next one is APRA. So for the banks, for the holders of stored value,
yes,
they're going to need to think about, do they need an APRA license of some sort, like a purchased payment facility license or a broader banking license?
Right.
And in order to consider that, that's sort of, often we're helping people find exemptions to needing a purchase payment license.
Right.
Because a lot of payment service providers in Australia rely on those exemptions. But so APRA is the second one, and the third one is ASIC.
Right.
Now, if anyone from the Australian Tax Office is watching, they might feel left out. We don't really focus on tax.
Okay.
We use a whole bunch of different tax partners for tax. So I'm just focusing on prudential regulation, APRA, AML CTF regulation, AUSTRAC,
yes,
and financial services regulation and credit regulation, which is consumer credit regulation, which is ASIC.
Do you have to deal with each regulator separately?
Yeah, they're totally different legal frameworks.
Okay. But if you're putting an application together, can you reuse information across the 3?
Absolutely. So, so if we're getting a banking license, for example, we'll be using some of that content in the business plan and presenting it to ASIC for the financial services license,
yes,
and then presenting different parts of it and overlapping parts of it to APRA as well.
Okay.